Welcome back. 32 states' business jewels were honoured for significantly contributing to Goa's vibrant and fast-paced economic development. Business Goa Awards for Corporate Excellence was held at Baga on Thursday. It was an annual event organised by Business Goa, a business magazine.
Give a big round of applause.
Business is an enormous catalyst for change. Business can bring about changes that certainly most politicians cannot bring about. They create employment, and therefore speeches by businessmen are as important as speeches by politicians as to what they feel and do. They can transform societies, they can transform states.
Dalgado Konkani Academy announced its annual awards to personalities who have contributed to the development of Konkani literature in Roman script. The awards will be presented at a special function on 21st March at Madgaon. Anil Devulkar and Antoinette de Kalangut would be awarded Dalgado Cultural Award 2012 for their lifetime contribution to Konkani culture.
Dalgad Konkani Academy announced its annual awards on Friday. Anil Kumar, Dalgad Cultural Award 2012, Antoinette de Kalangut, Dalgad Cultural Award 2012, Timoteo Fernandez, Dalgad Heritage Award 2012, Pio Esteves, Father Freddy J. Da Costa Award 2012, Matthew D'Souza, Dalgad Youth Award 2012, and Joe Manny Furtado, Dalgad Literary Award 2012. Joaquim Jose Lorenzo Fernandez will also be awarded. The awards will be presented in a special function on 21st March at Margaon. Former Father Dayamile and Chairman of Ravindra Bhavan, Margaon, Damu Naik will be the chief guest. President of Theatre Academy, Prince Jacob, will be the guest of honour. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Shivam Cricketers won the Vasudev Shet Govekar Memorial Cricket Tournament at Marcel recently. Shivam beat Unbeatable club by 2 runs in a thrilling final. The tournament was organised by Vithal Sanskrutik Mandal from Marcel.
Put into bat, Shivam Cricketers were all out for 181 runs in the allotted 20 overs. Unbeatable club fell short of the target by 3 runs as they reached 179 runs for the loss of 7 wickets in the allotted 20 overs. Here are some highlights.
Well played again. Shot big ball. Played it defensively. Not taking any risk. Challenge to Sitaram. It's up in the air. It was not timed properly. Ball striking on the edge of the bat. And a catch in the long run is straight to the beat. A ball well played between the gap. And it's running. Pulled it away. It's up in the air. Fielder is under it. And a very good catch on the boundary line. Good shot. Take to the fielder. Jumping ball and pulled it away. What a huge six. What a huge six. And it's gone. One more wicket down. Sai Prasad strikes. And what a ball, what a ball, what a ball, and
Bureau Report, Prudent.
And we end this bulletin with some good news for Goa. Goa have won 1 silver and 3 bronze medals in first National Blind Judo Championship in Lucknow. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.